Okay, let's get dressed. Ready? Let's put it on. Oh, good job. Where's your arm? Put your arms through. Olivia! You're supposed to get dressed. Come on, let's get dressed. Ready? Put it on. Put it on. It's going to look so pretty. Olivia! What do you want to be naked?
Here's the hair.
Okay, ready? Okay, let's get dressed. That's so pretty. Olivia!
Say naked baby's roll.
Naked baby. Again, ready? Oh, you got your shoes. Good job. Yay. I think I got her this time. Yes.
Finally.
Yay, you're dressed. No, don't rip it off now. Yay, you did it now, Olivia. Where's Olivia? There you are. Where's Olivia? Where did she go? There you are.
Olivia, it was so much easier with Elena's clothes. See, she has clothes on.
That looks so pretty. Don't eat your shoe. This is yours, and this is Olivia's. Okay.